Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to e to the power of s ds. This one we change for u, and we have u square e to the power of s ds we change for du. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to number 4 sine t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 16 sine t square, number 16, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify the power 3 over 2. Next, we can do about first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to number 4 cosine t dt. So I will put this one gone here. This one that is about this one. So this one we have 16 sine t square. So number 16, we can do about factorization. And this one that is about cosine t square. So number 2 multiplied by 3 over 2, we have number 3. 16 with the power 3 over 2, we have 64. And now we need to simplify number 4 cosine t on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 over 16. This one we have dt over cosine t square. And this one that is about secant of t square dt. So the integration of this one, we have tan t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 4. And now we can find the value of t in here. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.